The Patna High Court recently delivered a significant ruling that underscores the importance of due process and the protection of individual rights. This decision has been hailed as a milestone in the legal landscape of India. The ruling centers around Sections 82 and 83 of the Criminal Procedure Code, or CrPC, provisions dealing with the issuance of proclamations and warrants against accused individuals. These sections are crucial in the context of criminal law, and their correct application is vital for justice. By emphasizing the need for recording satisfaction before initiating such processes, the court seeks to prevent the arbitrary or unjust exercise of power by authorities. This ensures that every step taken is backed by substantial evidence and proper judicial oversight. This landmark judgment has far-reaching implications for legal proceedings in India, emphasizing a careful balance between effective law enforcement and the safeguarding of individual liberties. It sets a precedent for future cases, ensuring that the rights of individuals are not trampled upon in the name of law enforcement. The ruling serves as a timely reminder that the pursuit of justice must never come at the cost of individual rights. It reinforces the idea that the legal system must be both powerful and protective. It highlights the judiciary's proactive role in ensuring that legal procedures are followed diligently and that the immense power vested in law enforcement agencies is exercised judiciously. This ruling is a testament to the judiciary's commitment to upholding the rule of law and protecting the rights of citizens. Sections 82 and 83 of the CrPC provide the legal framework for initiating proceedings against individuals who are evading arrest or cannot be found. These sections are crucial in maintaining the rule of law and ensuring that justice is served, even when the accused attempts to avoid legal proceedings. Section 82 empowers a court to issue a proclamation requiring the accused to appear before it. This legal proclamation is a formal announcement that mandates the presence of the accused in court. This proclamation serves as a public declaration that the individual is wanted by the law. It is posted in public places to inform the community and aid in the apprehension of the accused. Section 83, on the other hand, deals with situations where the accused's whereabouts are unknown. This section is invoked when the individual cannot be located despite reasonable efforts. In such cases, the court can issue a warrant of arrest, authorizing law enforcement agencies to apprehend the individual from any place where they may be found. This ensures that the accused cannot escape the reach of the law. These provisions are essential tools for law enforcement agencies to ensure that individuals accused of crimes do not evade justice. They provide a structured approach to dealing with absconding accused and uphold the integrity of the legal system. The crux of the Patna High Court's recent ruling lies in its interpretation of the phrase "recording satisfaction" within the context of Sections 82 and 83 CrPC, which deal with the procedures for declaring a person as a proclaimed offender. The court held that before issuing a proclamation or a warrant, the magistrate must independently assess the evidence presented by the investigating agency, without any external influence. The magistrate must be convinced, based on this thorough assessment, that there are sufficient grounds to believe that the accused has indeed absconded or is evading arrest, and not merely based on the prosecution's assertions. The court emphasized that this satisfaction cannot be a mere formality or a rubber stamping of the prosecution's claims. It must be a genuine and well-founded belief. It requires a thorough and impartial evaluation of the available evidence to ensure that the initiation of proceedings under Sections 82 and 83 is justified, safeguarding the rights of the accused while upholding the law. The requirement of recording satisfaction serves as a crucial safeguard against the potential misuse of Sections 82 and 83 CrPC. Without this mandatory step, there is a risk of these provisions being used arbitrarily or as a tool of harassment. By insisting on an independent judicial assessment of the evidence, the Patna High Court's ruling reinforces the principle of due process. It ensures that individuals are not subjected to the serious consequences of proclamations and warrants without a proper evaluation of the case against them. Section 5. A hypothetical illustration, demonstrating the ruling's impact. Consider a hypothetical scenario where an individual is falsely implicated in a criminal case. Due to political rivalry or personal vendetta, the complainant might provide fabricated evidence to the police. Without the requirement of recording satisfaction, the magistrate, relying solely on the police report, might issue a proclamation or warrant against the innocent individual. However, with the Patna High Court's ruling in place, the magistrate is now obligated to scrutinize the evidence independently. This scrutiny would likely reveal the fabricated nature of the case, preventing the unjust issuance of a proclamation or warrant. This example highlights how the ruling protects individuals from potential harassment or wrongful prosecution. Section 6. Legal precedents. Echoes of the Patna High Court's stance. The Patna High Court's emphasis on recording satisfaction is not without precedent. Similar views have been expressed in previous judgments by various high courts and the Supreme Court of India. These rulings have consistently stressed the need for judicial oversight and the prevention of arbitrary actions by investigating agencies. For instance, in a landmark case, the Supreme Court held that the power to issue a proclamation or warrant should be exercised with due care and caution. The court emphasized that these provisions should not be used as a convenient tool to harass or intimidate individuals. Section 7. Implications for the future. A step towards enhanced due process. The Patna High Court's ruling has significant implications for the future of criminal justice in India. It sets a clear precedent for lower courts to follow, ensuring greater scrutiny before issuing proclamations or warrants. This emphasis on due process is likely to have a positive impact on the fairness and transparency of legal proceedings. The ruling also serves as a reminder to investigating agencies to conduct thorough and impartial investigations. Knowing that their findings will be subject to judicial scrutiny, agencies will be more likely to build strong cases with credible evidence, reducing instances of false or malicious prosecutions. Section 8. Conclusion. Upholding justice. One ruling at a time. The Patna High Court's ruling on Sections 82 and 83 CrPC is a powerful testament to the judiciary's commitment to upholding justice and protecting individual rights. By emphasizing the importance of recording satisfaction, the court has taken a significant step towards ensuring that the immense power vested in law enforcement agencies is exercised responsibly and judiciously. This landmark judgment serves as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that the pursuit of justice and the safeguarding of individual liberties can and must go hand in hand.